Hey girls, do you know what time it is? It must be party time. Here we go.